the ocean, it takes away everything. Yeah. Yeah. And as I look out at the sea, all the problems of my world go away. See, I'm pretty lucky where I live, in the land of the long white cloud. And if you ever wanna come and say hi, just know that I'll be right by your side. And we can pick ourselves up and we can go away and fly up high in the sky with a bird's eye view of the world below. You know, our minds don't always do what we want them to.
So we're just here in Faro, the highest point in Portugal.
So we're just up the top of
Faro.
little Lagos, a big hill in Lagos, looking over the west coast there, around to Sagres, which you can't see. Lagos there, Alvor, Portimao, where our yacht is anchored up. Zoom in. Anchored up over there, and we're going estuary. As we sat down after tea, we had a lovely dinner on Creds last night, and we watched the sunset as a massive cruise ship left the harbour. And then, in the next few days, Abby's brother Joe arrives, and we have so much fun. See you soon. So we've woken up this morning, and there's pirates out here. Oh no. Watch out.
Cut the gills quick.
Quick.
Get the rum ready.
Yeah. Give them some rum.
So, Greg's just off.
Oh, he's off.
Yeah, okay.
Back to New Zealand.
Oh, not so yay.
Yeah, goodbye, Inspire. It's been a marvellous experience. We'll do it all over again next year or some other time. So
We're gonna miss you, Greg.
Yeah, miss you too. Thanks so much. It's been lovely.
Bye.
Bon voyage.
Bon voyage. Safe travels. How are you going there?
Huh?
Are you getting your hair brushed? Rowan's monthly actually. Monthly brush. Oh, looking good.
Yeah.
Look at that moon in the background.
Good place to comb your hair. Hey,
Yeah.
what's the back look like?
Looking good.
So I'm just setting up the drogue. So the drogue is designed to slow us down if we've got big swells and we're going too fast, because these boats can actually they can actually plane like down and speed up down this bigger swell, so it's quite dangerous. We probably won't have to use this, but so I've got 35 metres on each side of rope, a V going out to the anchor. So we'll hook one on here, one on there, and then we'll pretty much just drop the anchor from the centre here, and hopefully it works fine. Yeah, I'll show you when I actually set it up and use it how it works, but I've never done it either, so if I'm not doing it right, let me know. But we'll do a test and see. It might work good for us or it might not, so yeah.
Oh, so we're just at we're on the boat and we're videoing Greg, and look, there's our dogs. Hey Rio, hey Zara. How are they, Greg?
They're fantastic. It's so shiny and very black. Very happy.
Oh, they look so cute. So Rio's our dog on the left, and Zara, that's Rio. Hey Rio. And Zara is Greg and Trez's dog. They're brother and sister. My mum's been looking after them while we've been away. Oh, cute. Another job done. Morning, Rohan. Sorry, I sort of surprised you then. Yeah. Another job day on Inspire.
So the table in there,
How cool has
it's
it
got
been?
like
That's
these
what I said to Alex,
legs that
it
pop
must-
out,
He'd be, look,
and
you know, even
they're quite long, but what we can do is we make them shorter ones so that
having you
the
there,
bed it lays flat, and then we've got like a mattress that goes down,
exactly what
So
I
we can all
said,
have a
right?
slumber
I said
party.
and then we can just lay on it and relax. Yeah. I'll show you once it's done.
Cool.
But these are just some temporary legs.
Oh, check out this hoodie as well, guys. Still We Spin. It's on our website. Go check it out, everyone. It's pretty cool.
I've got my winter woolies on this morning.
Yeah. So we put a wee mattress in here, and we've got a big bed.
Pretty nice.
Yeah.
This is the this is actually really nice and relaxing here. That's all I can find over here. Like, it's hard to get until we get something made properly. That PVC pipe would be perfect. See you later. See you later, alligator.
Rubbish day.
Shopping
Grocery day.
Bye.
Shame. I've got the bike to myself right now. So I'm gonna crank up some music. And I've got a few jobs to do. Give me some food, did you?
The laundry done. We're packed out with water. Lots and lots of water.
And rubbish is gone.
Sweet.
So we're
Let's bring us around here and I'll
killing it.
So this is what it looks like when you haven't done any washing for 1 month. Inspire looks like a laundry boat. Laundry everywhere. So today I also got these signs made up. These are our Sail and Inspire rules for everyone to follow when they're on board. So I don't know if you can see them all. But yeah, they are the main rules that we like everyone to follow when they're on board. And then I got this one made up for our crew when we get our crew for the Atlantic, so they know when to reef and everything. So I'm loving my new incense. It's so good. Makes the boat smell so yummy. Today's jobs, we are spray painting this bit of Inspire because you can see it's a bit yellow. So we're making it nice and white.
I'm the painter.
This one is done. It's nice and white now. So we're just doing a bit of maintenance on the sail drives. We're changing the oil because it's a bit milky and putting new oil in. Rohan's down there. Again.
Ah!
So Trez and Rohan are both down there now. You can hear Rohan sucking the oil out. And Trez is lying there holding the hose for him. Good work, team. I'm measuring the oil and passing the things up here. So we're just about to go pick up Joe.
Off to pick up.
We're going to pick up Joe. Got some rum. Here comes Joe. Here he is. Oh, here he is. Look, he's arrived. How are you? Good trip? You made it.
Hey! Made it right.
He's just travelled 40 hours. Welcome, mate. Cheers.
Cheers.
So Joe's made it to Inspire now. We poured him a nice strong rum.
It's nice to finally hear the camera voice over the
Don't hear the camera voice. So how was your flight?
It was really smooth and I'm feeling a bit knackered now, but no, it was good.
Awesome.
It's good to be here on this boat with you guys.
It's good for you to be on board. Cheers, everyone. Cheers.
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 Cheers. Cheers.
Woo!
Lovely to see Joe.
To the new crew member, Joe Sanford.
Cheers. Cheers, Joe.
So we just met Jimmy. Emerald, and they live here in Alvor, skydivers, crazy cats. We met them through YouTube, and yeah, had a few bevies, and it's great.
Cheers.
Cheers. Spinning some yarn.
Chinka chinka day.
Chinka chinka chinka. So Joe's first sailing day today. Woo!
Can't wait, eh?
Are you gonna hoist the sails, mate?
I'll give it a go.
Oh, sorry, he doesn't like me calling him mate. Bro.
He called me bro because I'm your brother.
Okay. You can hoist the anchor with me.
Alright, let's go do it now, eh?
Yeah. Anchor toe. Oh yeah.
Forward, Captain.
Whoa. Nice, eh?
Pretty nice, eh? Good to see a gut for the first time.
We haven't got much wind today, but we're in no rush.
I like trees with great big branches swaying there in the sun. I've got no degree in any subject, never had the urge to get me one, but I know that life grows.
So we're not going very fast today. So we've got a bit bored and we're gonna paddle board behind the boat.
Yeah!
See how it goes.
Fast?
I'm going probably like 1.5 knots, you know? Just cruising, eh?
Just cruising. What are you up to, mate?
I'll look on the side.
Man, we're going fast.
I'm just seeing if I can keep up with the boat speed.
We're going so fast there.
Do you want a tow?
Yeah. Can you tow us? Do you reckon you can paddle the other way?
I reckon I can. I mean, I can go like 10 knots and you're only going about 1.5, you know? We'll give it a go.
Give it a go. See you, bro.
It's quite shallow on the
See you on the other side.
See you on the other side.
Ah, got
Got
her! How fast were you going?
About 3.
3 knots. This is what we do when we're bored and there's no wind.
We're just making our own fun.
So it's a bit slow for start boarding. We're turning the engines on and we're going to tow me and Joe
With the surfboard.
with a surfboard.
Basically,
Surfing behind a catamaran.
right underneath there.
Are you ready?
I'm ready!
Hit it, Ro.
Okay. Yeah, so ready?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna start it.
Now we're surfing. Yeah! Oh! Sharky!
Abby's just dropped. Abby's fallen off, so.
It was nice knowing you.
I'm gonna get eaten by
Shark!
a shark!
Oh, what a day! Look. Almost there. So what's that big dark thing behind you there?
Stop it!
So how was the surf there, Abby?
Oh, that was epic. Man, it was scary though when I let go of the rope. The boat's just like, whoo! Feels sharky, yeah. I've never paddled so hard in my life. It was epic.